Today we are going to design a flyer in Photoshop. If it's your first time, please subscribe and turn on notification to get another tutorial. So let's go to the video. I create new document. I go File to New or Ctrl N. I put the name. I choose cm or centimeters. Width I put 21. Height I put 21. Resolution 300 pixel per inch. Color mode RGB color 8-bit. Background color white and 3 pixel and create. I have new document, the size 21 cm by 21 cm. Next step, I want to fill pattern whole of document. I need to create pattern first. I choose Take Tool. I change font. Okay, I use the font. I paste it one more. I Ctrl J to make copy. I select most layer and right click and convert to smart object. I click here and I need to change color it a little bit. I click OK. Now I go to Edit, Define Pattern, and put the name of pattern. And click OK. Now I go back to our document. I click here and choose pattern. And now we click here and choose our pattern. Angle I put 22. Scale I put 120. And click OK. Opacity I put 40. I need to save this document. I go File, Save or Save As, and choose the place I want to save and save. I choose rectangle tool. This one. Stroke I choose 0 and fill I put green. I want to put text on the rectangle. I use Take Tool. I change color to white. And I change font to this one. I put -60. Opacity I put 10%. I Ctrl-J to make copy and drag to another side. Next step, I use ellipse tool. Hold shift to make it balance. I change color it a little bit. It's okay. I Ctrl-J to make copy. For below ellipse, I need to put shadow on it. I go Effect, Blending option, Drop shadow. I choose like that and click OK. For above ellipse, I don't need fill. Fill I change to 0. Stroke I choose white. I put 15 pixels. And I change style to this one. The great one. Now I need to add main subject. I go File, Place Embedded, and select main subject. Now I need to add price. I use ellipse tool. Fill I choose white. Stroke I put green, and I put 5 pixels stroke. Hold shift to make it balance. Ctrl-J to make copy and scale it. Fill I change to no fill, and stroke I change style to this one. I need to add text. I choose text tool. I change color to green. Ctrl-J to make copy, and I put price. I put example price. I put $7. I need to add some doodle. I go File, Place Embedded, Select it. I need to change color. I go F8 or Effect and choose color overlay. I put green color. Next step, I need to add text. I use text tool. You can tap or Ctrl V to paste. I need to add one more text. Next step, I want to add context around here and to some icon around here. I use rectangle tool. Fill, I choose green. Stroke, I choose no stroke. I change color to white and I change font as well. I copy rectangle. For below one, I change color to white and I put phone number. I change color to green. I put my example phone number. Now I add social media icon. I have it and I just Ctrl V to paste. And finally, our flyer is finished. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to get another tutorial from me designer. Thank you for watching.